What up, y'all? It's Hazy. I just drove for about 3.5 hours from Norman, Oklahoma to Weatherford, Texas. It's 1:10 in the morning. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm at my parents' house, and my dad's gonna wake me up probably about 7, so about less than 6 hours from now, and hopefully we're gonna go slay some largemouth bass. So anyhow, I'm going to sleep. I'll get back with y'all in the morning. Hazy out. See, I didn't think he had it. Eat him. Boat flip. Probably close to 3. Oh no! I wasn't looking. I wasn't ready. Oh my gosh. There we go. There we go. We're on. We're on. I know, I'm trying not to get him all the way, but he's not fighting that hard. Ooh, okay. Oh, shit. Okay, okay. He's there for you. Oh my God, Dad. There you go, there you go. Oh my gosh! Going up in there. Okay. I got him. Got my phone. Oh my God. New personal best. New personal best. Woo! It's hard to get it under there. Where's the phone? I gotta take a picture of it. It's 7 pounds. It's 699. Oh, it's going down. 7. I got a picture at 7. We're calling it a 7. Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay. Woo! Look how far we drifted. Hit me, Pops. Oh my God. I didn't. Alright guys, I don't know how well that that video with that fish in my hands is gonna be, because I was nervous and excited, but here's the deal. We're out here in Texas at the lake that I fished my entire childhood, and I just caught a 7-pound largemouth on. This is fun right here. I just caught a 7-pounder on Topwater. Yeah. Insane explosions. The only other fish I caught today was 494, 5-pounder, 7-pounder. They are killing that Topwater. So we're gonna keep fishing out here. We're working the grass edges, and my dad's got a couple fish, 2-pounder, 1-pounder, and we're gonna keep catching fish all day long. Another giant. Holy crap, holy crap. Okay, he's coming. Oh my god, Dad. Oh my god. I'll lock at 6. Doesn't want to lock on boats. 6-1. We'll call it 6-1. Will you get a video of me releasing it? Got a 610 right here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice release. Revive it real quick. Oh, beautiful. She's ready. She's ready. Oh yeah. Dad, I've only caught giants today. For real. For real, for real, for real. All I've caught is giants today. I've caught 3 fish. We've only been out here, what do you think? An hour, maybe less. I've caught 3 fish. First one was a 5. Second one was a 7. This one was a 6. We're killing the game right now. All on Topwater. This is the best fishing, the most fun you'll ever have. Insane. There you go. Got it? Oh, he has it. I really didn't think he had it. Get out of there, get out of there. I can land him. Unless you want to. Ooh, that was a run right there. For a bass, that was a run. That was big. What is he doing up in this shallow stuff? Dad's cleaning up the little guys for me. I don't know if he's big. Nope. I got him. Stop. Oh my gosh, Dad, I saw that fish. That was another 5-pounder at least. That's weird. Terrible. Nice fish though. Oh, come on. That was a little intense. Just caught my first fish on the Gambler Big Easy. I had faith in that bait. It just wasn't working in Oklahoma. But this guy about 2.5, 3 pounds, he wanted it. We out here catching biggins, Texas-sized bass.
You did mean. You attacked it though. Come here, Earl. Fish in my bear. Whoa. Thank you.
There we go.
Just dropped it and the other fish that was with it hit it.
That's crazy.
Had to have been.
Oh my. Dude, what is happening?
Like I said, there's schools of these fish, and when you're fighting one to come in.
I always see that, and they're like, cast there, there's another fish. And you just did it and caught like three, or hooked like 3 fish. Could have been just 2 of them, but that's crazy. He's about ready to come in. That is a nice fish. Oh, he swallowed it too. Oh no, he didn't. We're good. Alright, y'all. I'm dirty. I'm sunburnt. I got a nice little glasses burn. Didn't put sunscreen on until like 11 a.m. We slayed these largemouth today. I caught my personal best of 7 pounds. And man, does that feel good. I got it on my action cam, hopefully. I mean, it was on. I know that. I just haven't had a chance to look at the footage yet. I'm just so thankful for today. I'm thankful for my dad, my grandfather, everybody who's instilled this love of fishing in me, and done everything they can to provide me the boat, the tackle. We got another boat. Like, I'm thankful to be part of the family that I'm in, and thankful we killed him. I started off the day with a 5-pounder. I caught a 7-pounder, and then I caught a 6-pounder, all within the first hour of fishing. Like, and that's not necessarily like normal. Like I said, I've been fishing that lake my entire life, and that's how I got out on the lake today and started my day on Topwater. Every single one of those was on Topwater. You can't get a better day than that, really. And with my dad, just really enjoyed it. Anyhow, I don't know how to wrap up this video. I wanted to, I just spent a little while in the garage with my dad. We call it the boat barn. And we went over some of his accomplishments. This fan's gonna be loud, I'm sorry. But here, I'm gonna change the camera around. That's my dad. A year before I was born, caught a 10.5-pound bass in a tournament. Just a badass, for real. We got mounted stripers, aoudad, deer, deer. Look at all these like awards, like Angler of the Year, Fisherman of the Year, Best Stringer of the Year, First Place. Anyhow, guys, I just wanted to throw that in there. Mad respect for my dad, such a cool dude, and I'm really thankful for him taking the day off work, just get me out there on the water, provide me with a good time. And he caught like probably at least like 3 5-pounders. I think he had one over 6, and I probably caught like 5 fish over 5 pounds. Crazy day. Like, we probably caught about 10 5 pounds and up fish. Like, that's insane. We probably had a bag. What would that be? 25. Probably had about a 30-pound bag if we were to take the best 5. It's insane. So I'm just rambling. Like, it's been a great day, and I just want to get this video out. I love you guys. Stay tuned. There probably won't be a good fishing day like this for a while, but you never know. I might catch a 10-pound bass any day that I go out. So stay tuned, stay hazy, keep fishing, gang.
Bye.